Alright, just got done with a heat race, and the gentleman that owns this said I could put a camera on it, so we might do that. Check out this beast. I'm gonna get a camera on this thing, and we're gonna check out what that Freedom Factory is all about. Oh yeah. But so what's your name?
Kendall.
Kendall? Hey, thanks for letting me ride along.
No problem, man. We're gonna put her up on top.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to TmezTv, baby.
Yeah. That is pretty cool. My guy's out on the podium, but I don't think I'm one wheeling out there.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bear Creek Motorplex up in Ohio. It's a pretty big 3/8 high banked, super slick, but this is a Crown Vic race. Thanks to Cletus McFarland, they are becoming super big, and we are about to go green. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free, and it helps let you guys know when I post videos. I was told these are stock Crown Vics, and it looks like they have a cage, and take the windshields out. Looks like a pretty inexpensive way to get yourself behind the wheel of a race car. It starts here, and then you find a guy that has a modified, and he lets you drive that, and you just start at the bottom and work your way to the top. This is actually a pretty good little race. And the checkered flag flies. That is a wrap. These look like a lot of fun. Could you imagine having 20 of them out there, all pretty much bone stock? As always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing just notifies you every time I post videos, and it's free.
So close.
I slipped up coming off of 2, but
Slipped off a little bit. That was a great race though.
Yep. 1 and 2, you just blip a little bit, and then you're back in. 3 and 4, just never let off the wood.
It's a lot bigger 3 and 4, huh? It's hard to see from the stands, but I looked at the aerial and it looks like it's a lot tighter 1 and 2. Well, it's still working. That's awesome.